if you are really sore and you cannot get up and down from the ground, we do a lot of hands and knees, cat camels. I'm going to show you on this wall is how you can do that to still work on getting your thoracic mobility. So you want to get close enough to the wall where you can reach it. All right, then you're going to get a good hip hinge. You're going to hold on to that wall, and then you're going to try and move your spine. Now you don't want to be rocking those knees forward and back. So you want your booty, shoulders to stay relatively still. A little motion's okay, but like I said, you don't want it to be where you're rocking. Okay, so that's a modified cat-cow. If you aren't able to sit down or get down on the floor.